Hi, this is Total Parts Pro. Today with 2011 Jeep Wrangler, stock number 6730. This ran from the 3rd 2007 to the 12th 2011. It has a JK 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a JK 3.8 litre V6 petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left-hand guard, left-hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, spare wheel, right-hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right-hand door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, right front window switch, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,